Hi everyone, it's our second lesson and we are learning to share equally. So today I'm going to start with a maths warm-up. You can use a whiteboard or you can use a piece of paper and a pencil. So the first thing we're going to do for our warm-up today is our number of the day. So our number of the day is going to be 15. So we're going to represent this in different ways. The first one is we're going to represent this using our tally marks. Let's take a look. So we've got 5 and 5 and 5. So that equals 15. As a picture, we can draw this as a picture. So we're using love hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We can write it as a number sentence. 3 groups of 5 equals 15. And we can use our 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There we go. All right, what time is it? Let's take a look at our clock. We're looking at the hands of our clock and where they're pointing to. Our hour hand is pointing to the 10, that's right, and the minute hand is pointing to the 12. So our time on our clock is going to be 12 o'clock. All right, what's the shape? Let's take a look at this shape. Do you know what the name of this shape is? Let's take a look. It's a rectangle. And how many sides has it got? I bet you can do this on your own. That's right, 4 sides. And corners or edges, or we might actually call this vertices. 4, that's right. All right, our learning intentions today are that we are learning to share a collection of objects. To be successful, we can share a group of objects to solve problems. We can complete the division number sentences and we can identify how many groups there are. Okay, so the first activity that we need to do is share 12 between 2. So we can also do this on our Jamboard today. So that will be available to you on the Jamboard on the Google Classroom. But here we're just going to do it by drawing different shapes for each of these circles. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to get a marker. So you might like to do it, if you're not going to use a Jamboard, you might like to just do it on a piece of paper or a whiteboard and draw 2 big circles. Okay, so now we need to share our 12 counters and I'm going to make a mark to signify each counter. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I'm going to check that my counting was correct and I'm going to choose a different color to do this and I'm going to make a mark. I'll make a cross actually. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Great. So I've got 12 all together. But now I need to make sure that both of my groups are equal. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 in this group. Let's count the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 in this group. Okay, next I need to write how many groups there are. So we're sharing between two groups. And as we can see, we've got 2 big circles, and these are our groups. So our answer over here will be, how many groups are there? There are 2 groups. Okay, 2. The next one, 12 circles shared between 2 groups equals, okay, so how many were in each group? Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Each group was 6. So we have 6 in each group. Okay. All right, so this time we're going to share 8 between 2, but I'd like you to do this yourself. So pause the video and have a turn of either doing this on the Jamboard or doing it on a piece of paper, so drawing it on a piece of paper, and then you can join back on the video and check your answers. So make sure that you try it on your own before you move on. Okay. All right, so we're going to share our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to check. Check our numbers. Oh, that's not very dark, is it? Let's try that again. There we go, that's better. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we need to check how many are in each group. So in this group, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this group, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, so they're equal. And we've got 2 groups. So we write our answer over here as 2 groups. And 8 circles shared between 2 groups equals, okay, how many in each group? We've got 4. And there's your answer. Okay, we need to share 10 between 5. So pause the video and go on with draw the circles on a piece of paper and share them between each group. All right. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we can easily see that we've got 2 in this group, and 2 in this group, 2 in this group, 2 in this group, and 2 in this group. So they are equal groups. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we need to write how many groups there are. 5. And 10 circles shared between 5 groups equal how many in each group? That's right, 2. And there's our answer. Okay, this time we're going to share 15 between 3. All right, pause the video, have a go, and then check your answers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, and now let's check our answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, how many groups do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. Okay, and we need to check how many in each group for our next part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 in each group. So they are equal. All right, 15 circles shared between 5 groups equals 5. All right, let's share 18 between 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Let's check our answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so how many groups are there? There's 2 groups. 2. And 18 circles shared between 2 groups equals, let's check our answers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 in each group. So let's write our answer. 9. And there we go. Okay, so let's share 21 between 3. Pause the video and see how you can go with that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. All right, so how many groups are there all together? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 3 groups. And then we need to check our answers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. All right, 21 circles shared between 3 groups equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 in each group. 7. All right, let's share 16 between 4. Pause the video, off you go. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. How many groups are there? There is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. All right. And then 16 circles shared between 4 groups equals, all right, let's check. We're going to check our answers first. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this group, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in this group. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each group has 4 in it. So 4 is our answer there. Okay, let's share 20 between 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I've done this a special way this time so that you can see our pattern of 5. Okay, so it makes it easier to count, doesn't it? Because we can count by 5s, all right? So we can check this time, check our answers by counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so 20 circles shared between 4 groups equals 5. Okay, so let's write our answer. 5 down here. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 groups of 5. All right. Okay, this time share 28 between 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, try again. Fix that up. 4 and 28 circles between. Oh, this time it's a little bit trickier. So 28 circles shared between how many groups? Well, we just said that up here, so we know that answer. 4 groups equals, and how many in each group? So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in each group, but let's check that each one has 7 in it, so they're all equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, this one has 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So equals 7. All right, so share 30 between 5. Now, if this gets too many, you can stop, but I think that we can do this one ourselves. If you find it tricky to do this by drawing it, you could actually have 30 objects and you could sort them that way. That would be a much easier way, and you can take a photo. I'm more than happy for you to do that. All right, so let's do this one again. Share 30 between 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. 30 circles shared between 5, because we know that it's 5 groups. 5 groups equals how many? Let's check how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in this group. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 6 in each group. That's our answer. All right, share 20 between 5. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Okay, and we know again 5 groups down here. 20 circles shared between 5 groups equals, all right, how many are in each group? Can you have a look and see? That's right, we have 4. We can see there's 4 here, 4, 4, 4, and 4. So they're all equal, okay, and they all have 4. All right, so we've finished those activities today, and I think that we were able to achieve our learning intention of sharing a collection, and I hope that everyone was successful to share a group of objects to solve problems, and I hope that you were able to complete the division number sentences and identify how many groups there are. Okay, well done everyone. Bye.